Hello, Namaste and welcome to our channel High Five India. This is Rahul Singh. As we know that earbuds are inseparable part of our life. So it is really important to know certain life hacks about it. Today in this video, I am going to show you 5 amazing life hacks about your own earbuds. So let's get started. Tangled earbuds are worldwide issue. Today I am going to show you an amazing way to wind your earbuds to keep them tangle free. There's a special way that you can wind up your earbud. Use your this finger to hold this part and then just keep winding. Now you see this part from where the earbuds gets divided into two. From here you can wind the earbuds into another direction. Like if you were going vertically, go horizontally. If you were going horizontally, go vertically. Hold the speakers and release everything. See, everything is tangle free here. The wire for the speaker are of same size, but here one is taller and one is shorter. So you don't have to stop where it is getting divided into two. Keep moving, let it go, and from here you just move your wire, move it horizontally. After winding up these earbuds, I'm going to put them in my pocket and have a check. And we are going to check if they still survive this. I'm going to hold the speakers as instructed and release. Whoa. This is tangle free. Hold the speaker which has a taller wire and then release it. We have eradicated the world problem of earbuds getting tangled. You can thank me. During night when we are trying to watch videos and it becomes really difficult to find out which one is a left earbud and which one is a right. I have this glow tape. I've got it from eBay. This is a punching machine. I'm going to put the glow tape in. Now I have two dots and they are gonna glow. This is the right hand one because I am a right hander, so I put this one like this and this one I kept it simple. I'm going to show you one application of the glow tape. Oh, you see this? So watching movie in night is not a big mess now. Yeah. So this is how it goes. It looks fancy as well. Also it has a very good application. Well, I'm trying to get a selfie, but my hand doesn't reach us exactly over there. Because my selfie stick doesn't have an automatic button into it, I'm not able to take a selfie of mine. But there is a way that we can do this using our earphones. I'm going to show you how. There is this app. You can go to Play Store, type IKEY and then search for it. This is the app. It's a freeware app. You can install this. I'm going to put my earbuds over here. So here I go, take photo. See this?
Wow,
You can
nice
take as
picture.
much as selfie you want with the help of your button or your earbud. So this has been hacked. Putting your earbuds directly into the bag may not be the safest thing to do. But if you have a earbud case, that should do. Oh, I got a mint. If you have lost your earbud case, you can always make one for yourself. I have this mint thing. Empty all the mint. Or we can finish it off and put our earbuds into it. Yeah. And then you can, no matter what you do, your earbuds are gonna be safe. Also, I believe it is some sort of water resistant. Next time when you put your earbuds directly into your bag, make sure you put it into the mint box, and then next time when you eat some mint, make sure you save the box because you can recycle it by using it as a earbud case. The problem with the light color earphones is they get dirty easily, especially with the yellow color and this white color one. You see this one is white, but this one is not so white. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a way to clean this up. You can take some liquid soap, damp a cotton in it. Wipe the cable of the earphone. Slice the lemon into half and then rub the lemon on the cable. And then again take a cotton and wipe it. I managed to clean it comparatively. Now this is better. I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know in the comments below which of these 5 tricks are your favorite. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and we have a Facebook page as well. Links are given below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then are you waiting for the doomsday? Please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Lots of love. Take care of yourself and high five India. So you can take out. Oh my god, it's not tangled.